Mariah Carey is one of the biggest names in pop music history and is in a league all her own. And when she's hanging out on set, a one-story trailer isn't enough. This music diva has earned double the space. This two-story, 1,200 square foot juggernaut comes equipped with over-the-top features including a luxurious living room, makeup area, and its own second-level dance club. Designer R.J. Anderson gives us a tour of this mobile estate.
This is the coolest thing on the face of the planet, man. This is like a skyscraper on wheels.
Our journey begins on the first level of this tricked-out trailer. A lounge built for Mariah and her entourage to relax and get away in style.
You can't get this in a regular motorhome. We have a 25-foot slide here and a 35-foot slide here. Just this room alone is 600 square feet. You have a 15-foot couch. We didn't just want a normal shape. We wanted something that rolled with the room. When you're creating a custom couch, you're looking in the market of $7,000. But that's a piece of art. One of my favorite features on this whole unit has to be the TV. 65-inch Samsung 9000 is absolutely the clearest TV I've ever seen in my entire life. We have 5.1 Genelec studio-grade surround sound in here, so this thing rocks. Moving from the lounge, we step right into the most important room in this whole trailer. We have an entire makeup station. We use true makeup lights, and we created this oversized mirror. While she's getting her makeup done, Mariah's entertained. There's a TV behind the mirror here that she can watch her favorite shows. It's a great feature. I'm really happy with it, and I'm so glad we put it in.
Before we head up to the second floor, we stop by an appetizing feature no one can resist. This kitchen proves it's a step above the rest.
Look how big this is. Look, I can jump in here. We had to bring all the elements of what they would have in one of their massive homes right into one of our trailers. So that's why we have a convection microwave. We have the full stovetop. We have hideaway fridges. Even water comes at a premium on this trailer. We have a $4,000 Kangen water machine. It is hands down the world's best water. As we walk up these granite stairs, we make it to the grand finale. The roof pops up. We have a full second level of pure awesomeness. When we come upstairs, we really wanted to create a space that is more fun, make it more like a club. You have this amazing lighting that just brings the mood. You can dim down the lights, you can flip on the color wheel, and this bad boy, you can party all night long. We have a 35-foot wraparound couch. You have seating for at least 30 people up here. So we have two dueling 60-inch TVs at either end of this party space. When you walk in this room, you're like walking into the finest nightclubs anywhere in the world. Creating a trailer like this with the slide outs, with the roof popping up, all the technology, you're looking at a price tag of $1.8 million. But what that gets you is an A-list experience like no other.